Quartz crystals can amplify and store your intentions. Find out how in this tutorial. First, cleanse yourself and your space. Next, to get clear about your wishes and desires, you may want to write them down. Then, cleanse the crystals. You can use sage or sound cleansing. Then you'll hold the crystal and state your blessing and intention for it.
May this crystal be used in love and light for the highest good of all. May this crystal guide me to discover my highest purpose in this life.
Hold the crystal to your forehead and heart and breathe deeply, connecting your energy with the crystal's energy. You can place your written intentions underneath one of the quartz crystals, and you can use a quartz wand that you have programmed to activate a crystal grid. Don't forget to state gratitude for what you already have and for the blessings coming your way.
I'm so grateful for the many blessings in my life, and I'm so grateful for my crystals.
Interact with your quartz daily to keep the intentions fresh, and you can also program and wear quartz jewelry. Follow Bliss Crystals for more videos like this, and check out our live sales on our app or Facebook.